It's very kind of you to plus, verb. It's very kind of you to ask. It's very kind of you to wait for me. It's very kind of you to cheer me up. It's very kind of you to offer a ride. It's very kind of you to speak kindly. It's very kind of you to donate blood. It's very kind of you to offer to help. It's very kind of you to believe in me. It's very kind of you to inspire others. It's very kind of you to give your time. It's very kind of you to forgive others. It's very kind of you to invite us over. It's very kind of you to give to charity. It's very kind of you to care for others. It's very kind of you to think of others. It's very kind of you to show compassion. It's very kind of you to clean the house. It's very kind of you to lend me your car. It's very kind of you to include everyone. It's very kind of you to support my dreams. It's very kind of you to praise my efforts. It's very kind of you to support our cause. It's very kind of you to cooperate with us. It's very kind of you to donate to charity. It's very kind of you to appreciate my help. It's very kind of you to forgive and forget. It's very kind of you to suggest a solution. It's very kind of you to respond so quickly. It's very kind of you to listen to my story. It's very kind of you to respect my opinion. It's very kind of you to smile at strangers. It's very kind of you to share your umbrella. It's very kind of you to volunteer your time. It's very kind of you to forgive my mistakes. It's very kind of you to collaborate with us. It's very kind of you to share your knowledge. It's very kind of you to listen to my worries. It's very kind of you to help someone in need. It's very kind of you to support my decisions. It's very kind of you to compliment my outfit. It's very kind of you to love unconditionally. It's very kind of you to remember my birthday. It's very kind of you to recognize my efforts. It's very kind of you to offer your assistance. It's very kind of you to help with the project. It's very kind of you to guide me through this. It's very kind of you to listen to my concerns. It's very kind of you to respect my boundaries. It's very kind of you to appreciate my efforts. It's very kind of you to understand my feelings. It's very kind of you to teach me something new. It's very kind of you to acknowledge my efforts. It's very kind of you to share your experiences. It's very kind of you to care about my feelings. It's very kind of you to accept me for who I am. It's very kind of you to invite me to your party. It's very kind of you to understand my situation. It's very kind of you to listen without judgment. It's very kind of you to comfort me when I'm sad. It's very kind of you to write a thoughtful note. It's very kind of you to support me through this. It's very kind of you to inspire me to be better. It's very kind of you to assist with the project. It's very kind of you to include me in your plans. It's very kind of you to advise me on this matter. It's very kind of you to share your lunch with me. It's very kind of you to notice the little things. It's very kind of you to remember our anniversary. It's very kind of you to care for the environment. It's very kind of you to visit me in the hospital. It's very kind of you to cook dinner for everyone. It's very kind of you to love with all your heart. It's very kind of you to participate in the event. It's very kind of you to compliment me on my work. It's very kind of you to understand my perspective. It's very kind of you to contribute to the project. It's very kind of you to apologize for the mistake. It's very kind of you to communicate your thoughts. It's very kind of you to welcome me with open arms. It's very kind of you to motivate me to keep going. It's very kind of you to comfort me in times of need. It's very kind of you to understand my point of view. It's very kind of you to collaborate on this project. It's very kind of you to empathize with my situation. It's very kind of you to acknowledge my contribution. It's very kind of you to encourage us to do our best. It's very kind of you to guide us through the process. It's very kind of you to appreciate the little things. It's very kind of you to contribute to the discussion. It's very kind of you to assist with the heavy lifting. It's very kind of you to congratulate me on my success. It's very kind of you to console me during tough times. It's very kind of you to apologize for the inconvenience. It's very kind of you to motivate others to do their best. It's very kind of you to encourage me to follow my dreams. It's very kind of you to engage in meaningful conversation. It's very kind of you to involve me in the decision making. It's very kind of you to understand what I'm going through. It's very kind of you to encourage me to pursue my passions. It's very kind of you to apologize for the misunderstanding.